Hello guys, it's Akos here from iTechFlow. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out something super tiny but really powerful, the Umevo Note Plus. It might look like a basic voice recorder, but things is actually powered by ChatGPT 4.1 AI, and it can take everything you record and turn into proper text with punctuation in over 140 languages. Yeah, that's definitely caught my attention. So I've been testing it out, so let's see if it's worth it or not. Let's go. Alright, quick look at what's inside the box. So we've got the recorder itself, super lightweight, metal build, honestly feels pretty premium. A USB-C cable, a handy little protective case, a magnetic ring attachment if you want to stick it somewhere, and of course, paperwork, manuals. Which I mean, do we ever read those? But yeah, first impression, ultra portable. It's basically about 70-80 mm long and very light. You could literally throw this in a wallet or slide it beside your phone and forget it's there. Alright, let's speak about the main features. So the big thing here is the ChatGPT 4.1 transcription. You talk and it turns into clean text with punctuation, super simple. It works in over 140 languages, so if you mix English and Hungarian like I do sometimes, yeah, it still understands you. It can also summarize long recordings, which is amazing for lectures or long meetings. Battery life is strong, around 40 hours recording time, so no stress about charging all the time. Plus, you get a whole year unlimited transcription for free. It's a very nice bonus. So you're asking how it works? Actually, it's super simple. Just press the button, boom, it's recording. When you're finished, you open the app, it syncs instantly, and the AI turns everything you said into proper text. You don't have to format anything, it just does it. Then you can copy it, share it, save it, whatever you need. It's basically like instead of writing notes, you just talk and it writes for you. So I've mainly been using this as a little memo voice recorder, especially when I'm gaming. Like the other night I was playing Wuthering Waves and I suddenly got an idea for a video. Instead of pausing or grabbing my phone, I literally just tapped at this and kept playing. Later I checked my app and the idea was already written out, properly formatted and everything. The audio quality is genuinely solid, even with some background noise, and accuracy is really impressive, around 90 to 95% correct most of the time, even when I talk fast or mix accents. For me, honestly, it's a game changer because my idea is don't get lost anymore. Now let's speak about the security and the storage. One thing I actually really like, you don't have to worry about your recordings disappearing or being exposed somewhere. Everything is encrypted and backed up in the app, so even if you accidentally delete something on the device, it's still safe. So if you are recording meetings, schoolworks, interviews, whatever, your stuff stay private and organized. And you can put recordings into folders and search through your notes by keywords, which saves a lot of scrolling later. And the battery life shockingly is really good. It can record for around 40 hours and it can sit in standby for weeks, like up to a couple of months. So you can just throw it in your bag and it will be always ready when you need it. I haven't even thought about charging it yet, which feels wild in 2025. Now let me mention about the downsides, the price and the value. Alright, so it's not perfect. A couple things to keep in mind. For all the smart AI stuff, the transcriptions, summaries, translation, you do need internet. Without that, it's basically just a tiny voice recorder. And after your first year of the free unlimited transcription, there is a subscription if you want to keep using the AI heavily. So yeah, that's something to think about. Price-wise though, it's around £120 in the UK depending on where you pick it up. Which honestly, for something that can save you hours of typing every week, especially for students, interviews, content ideas, I think that's fair. It's one of those little tools that pays for itself in time saved. So yeah, overall I absolutely recommended the Umevo Note Plus. It's small, it's simple, and it just makes note-taking way easier, especially if you are someone like me who gets ideas randomly throughout the day. A huge thanks to Umevo for sending me this product over for test and sponsoring this video, I really appreciate it. So guys, if you want to look it for yourself, I leave a link below down in the description. It was Akos from iTechFlow, it was Umevo Note Plus from Umevo. Thank you for watching, subscribe, blah blah blah, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.